Hello YouTube, it's a boy Motherhood Smartermox, and today I'll be showing you how to fix the screen size of WWE 2019 and other games that cannot display full screen. You can see the black spaces around the screen. Let's take a closer look. You can see the spaces around, and we are going to fix them. So first of all, what you have to do is press on the PS button. So we're going to press the PS button. Then you are going to go to settings. Once you're there, you are going to scroll down to sound and screen. You click enter. Then you are going to choose display area settings. So we are here where we are supposed to increase the size of the screen. So what we are supposed to do is press, or rather hold, the direction button, the up direction button. So we are holding, as you can see, the size is increasing. Yeah, somewhere there. That's good. And once we do that, we are going to press enter. We press enter, we are going to go back and we are going to restart our PlayStation, our system. We're going to restart it. Power options and restart PS4. Okay, I'll get back after the system is restarting. Okay, I just restart my system and now I'm going to get into my game, my WWE 2019, and we are going to see that everything is okay. Everything has been fixed. As you can see, everything has been fixed. The screen size is back to normal. And thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.